6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Last one, number 30. Okay, see, finish na. Good job. Okay, next color yellow. Hold. Go. Shoot. Very good. Next color yellow. Hold. Go. Shoot. Very good. Next color yellow. Shoot. Go, Hayden. Hayden, shoot. Very good. Next one. Yellow. Shoot. Go. Hayden, go. Good job. Next one. Go, hold. Yellow. Go. Go, yellow. There you go. Next. Color yellow. Oh, stand up ka. Stand up. Ayusin mo po. Stand up. Yan. Go. Good job. Next. Yellow. Hold. Okay. Shoot. Good job. Next. Yellow. Tap. Okay. Shoot. Okay. Next. Color green. Oh, next na tayo. Dito tayo. Lipat tayo. Color green. Green. Match the pictures together, okay? Oh, look at this one. What goes with the paint? Paint and iron? No. Which one? Paint and Toothbrush? Oh no. Paint goes with what? Read mo po. Read. Oh, not the coin. Paint goes with... look at this one, oh. Paintbrush. Paint goes with paintbrush. Put together. Okay, very good. Next one. What goes together with the flowers? Flowers and... coin? No. Flowers and what? No. Again, do it again. What goes with the flowers? Flowers and... no. Again, try again. Flowers and what? Flowers and... look mo po, not the coins. Flowers and what? Flower and base. Look mo. Flower and base. Where's the base? Base. Read mo po. Base. Flowers and base. Hazen, look. Flowers and base. Base, Hazen, base. Okay, so what goes with the toothpaste? Toothpaste and... spatula? No. Toothpaste and what? No, not the iron. No. I-look mo po. Toothpaste and... No. Again. Toothpaste and what? Toothpaste and... toothpaste and what? Yun. Toothbrush. Okay, next one. How about ironing board? Yes, ironing board goes with... ironing board goes with... okay, iron. That's right, iron. Okay, next. How about the coin bank? Coin bank goes with... coin bank. Which one? Go. Coin bank. Which one? Coin bank. Okay, coins. Go this one. That's right. Coins. Next, how about dustpan? Yes, dustpan goes together with... oh, you look around. Dustpan and... good. Focus on your work. Dustpan and... Hazen, look at your work. Dustpan and what? Dustpan and... Hazen, which one? Dustpan? Which one? Broom. Dustpan and broom. Next one. How about the pan? Pan and... no. Pan and... what goes with the pan? Pail? No. Pan and what? Spatula. Where is it? Spatula.
Scatter.
You look at the pictures. Next. Bread.
Bread.
Bread and which one? Bread and what? No. Bread and no. Bread and what? Sige, go. You try. Bread and yun, toaster. Next one. Knife. Knife. Knife and okay, chopping board. Go put. Next one. Napkin holder. Napkin holder. Look, napkin holder. Which one? Napkin holder. Look, read. Napkin holder. No. Again, do it again. Napkin holder. Where is it? Match mo po.
Much.
Yes. Napkin holder goes together with table napkin.
Table.
Yes. Oh, last one. Shovel. Shovel goes together with... Go, Hazen, go! Go, look. Finish. Pail. Okay, very good. Stand up lang. Oh, shoot. Purple. Next. Pink. Next. Green. Stand up. It's okay. Next one. Yellow. Purple. Go. Balance yourself. Next. Orange. Yellow. Next. Red. Oops. Again. Red. And green. Oh, last one. Stand up again. Stand up. Stand up. Go. Yeah, last one. Okay, very good. Get one. Go, shoot. Go up. Here. Up. Shoot. Go, Hazen. Hazen like this. Oh, go up. Shoot.